Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. I've been waiting for this for so long. This is the Glamlite ice cream palette. This is the fun little ice cream truck it comes in. And when you open it up, here's the palette right here. Oh, come on. It's got actual like sprinkles in there. Not like real sprinkles, but like stuff that looks like sprinkles. Each flavor is an ice cream flavor. My favorite ice cream flavor just happens to be mint chocolate. And the mint chocolate flavor right here just happens to be my favorite color. I'm super excited to use this palette. I also have the Glamlite chocolate fudge pop lip set. It comes with one matte and two glosses. Very pretty. Since there are so many colors and this palette is so versatile, I'm going to do 2 different looks on each eye. Just like usual, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. Primer down, I'm going to go into the Morphe E36 brush and start off with chocolate. Chocolate's down, and now I'm going to go into the next shade. Next brush I'm going to use is an unnamed Morphe fluffy packing brush, and I'm going into the shade Pumpkin. Just gonna line that edge of chocolate with pumpkin. Going back in with chocolate a little bit to just darken it up and blend chocolate and pumpkin together a little bit more using the same brush. Now I'm going to take this small fluffy Morphe X Coca-Cola brush and the yellow shade called Mango. And I'm going to put that right above pumpkin. Just like I did with chocolate earlier, I'm going to go back in with this unnamed Morphe brush and pumpkin and fade that into mango a little bit. Now, for right in the center, we're gonna add one of these gorgeous shimmers. I'm gonna start going into Rocky Road, and I'm gonna place it right on the outside of the spot that's blank right now. That was using the Morphe M124, forgot to mention that. And now I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics brush number 12, which is just a very long flat brush. And I'm going to just put the shade Lemon, which is a beautiful gold yellow metallic, right on that empty spot. Gonna go back in with a little more Rocky Road just to blend them together. Here we go, this eye look is complete and it just screams fall time. Loving it. So while this is going to be a fall look, I'm going to do a more bright neon Halloween kind of thing on this side because there are lots of purples, greens, and fun spooky things like that. So I'm going to prime this eye. And now I'll get to work on this eye. I'm going to use another E36 and start off in the shade Honey Lavender, which sounds delicious and it's like something I would like to try right now, please. Just right there for right now. Now I'm gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics number 12, except this time it's a very medium thick packing brush. I'm going in with the shade Green Tea, which is a really deep turquoise green. Oh, that looks so cool on the monitor. Super neon. Now I'm gonna blend that out with my favorite flavor, favorite color, mint chocolate, and I'm gonna use this Morphe M514. And now with a Morphe M506, I'm going to go in with the pastel pink shade Mochi, and I'm going to put it right above Honey Lavender. Mochi is one of the prettiest pastel pinks I've ever seen, but I want a little darker on the purple, so I'm going to go back in and darken up that Honey Lavender a little bit more. I'm going to dip into a little bit of bubble gum to just make it pop a little bit more on the inner portion. There we go. Because I'm also trying to use as many colors as I can while not overdoing it. I'm going to cut this crease really quickly. Using this Morphe M124, I'm going to go in with this beautiful lime green pistachio shade and put it all over the part that I just cut. Wow. I want to add some metallics in here. I'm going in with this small unnamed Morphe packing brush, and I'm going to use the shade Blueberry Cheesecake, which is a stunning lavender metallic. And I just put it right over Honey Lavender, and it instantly made it pop. This palette is fulfilling all my dreams. To kind of connect green tea and pistachio together, I'm gonna add in the metallic shade called Birthday Cake. And I'm gonna use this Morphe M213 and just paint it right on their border. This is a pastel dream. I'm gonna add a little white liner to it to kind of define these chunks of color. I'm gonna use the NYX Epic Wear waterproof white eyeliner, and I'm definitely cutting the barrier between the pistachio and the lavender and blueberry cheesecake. Let me do my rest of my face really quick. To continue on this side, I'm going to go in with a new shade. Using a Morphe M152, I'm going to go in with this shade called Peanut Butter and just lightly line right underneath my lash line. And to fade it out, I'm going to go in with a Morphe M506 and the shade called Orange Cream. For an inner corner highlight, I'm going to use a Morphe M213 and the shade Strawberry Cheesecake. And for a little brow highlight, I'm going back in with the BH Cosmetics 12 and the shade Lemon. And on the other eye, I'm going to add a new pop of color. I'm going to go in with the shade Black Cherry. Using this Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH39, I'm going to go put Black Cherry right under the lash line. And to blend it out, using a Morphe M506, I'm going to use a combo of raspberry and mochi. I'm going to extend the white liner, create a wing with it. And the last shade I'm going to use on the palette is going to be French Vanilla for a white neutral highlighter on this side. And I'm going to use Salted Caramel for a gold toned highlighter on this side. matte one on this side, and then a nude lipstick on this side with a gloss over it. This liquid lip shade is called Chocolate. Literally smells like a fudgesicle. Wow. For the nude side, I'm going in with the Kylie Jenner liquid lip. It doesn't have a shade name on it, but it's from her Sailor collection. It's a really pretty dusty rosy color. While I wait for that to dry down, I'm just gonna do my lower lash line liner. This is just the ColourPop crayon in the shade Swerve cream gel liner. Now the gloss I'm going to use is called Sweet Fudge. It still smells like chocolate, but not as much as the chocolate one does. I like how these liquid lips have a little mirror on them. I've never seen that before, but it's super cute. Now I'm just going to throw on some liner and some lashes really quickly, and I'll be right back. Here we go, both looks are done. Beautiful fall look on this side, and then a bright, fun, candy, kinda Halloween kinda moment here. Let me know down below which side your favorite is. I like them both, I can't choose actually. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all are having a wonderful Halloween spooky season. Let me know what else you want to see from me, and please leave this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'll be trying to do 1 or 2 uploads every week. Probably will just end up being 1, but we'll see what happens. I will see you all next time, and stay blazed.